Hello everyone, this is 1 kVA micro brazing welding machine, and it brazes strands from 0.08 mm to 0.25 mm using silver oxide powder. So we will be welding some samples today. So before that, we will take a look at the parts of the machine. So this will be the magnifying lens, and inside you can see our graphite blocks. Then we have current control, and then we have a pedal switch. So we'll be welding the samples today, and you can take the strands of sample. So we have done the welding using silver oxide powder, and we can check by pulling. We can check the strength by pulling the cable. It is properly welded. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is ELECTROWELD brand made 1 kVA micro brazing welding machine, and it braces copper strands from 0.08 mm to 0.25 mm using silver oxide powder. And the components are here. This will be the magnifying glass, from viewer glass, so from where we can see it properly and weld the joints. And this is the whole assembly of the machine. This is the on-off switch along with current regulator, and we have a pedal switch along with it. So we'll take a sample and weld it today. This is 0.2 mm. No. So we have the welded output. You can check in the magnification glass. This is the joint. Now we'll do the strength test. Weld has come out to be pretty strong. It's not breaking now.